Joy of Rain by Aryani Siti, illustrated by Sienna. The Joy of Rain Storytime. A little puppy named Finn lived with his mom in a cozy little house. Finn was a curious puppy who loved to explore the world around him. One day, Finn noticed something different outside. The sky was gray and tiny droplets of water started to fall from the sky. Finn had never seen rain before and was very curious. Finn ran to his mom and asked, "What is this water falling from the sky?" His mom smiled and said, "Finn, that's rain. It helps plants grow and gives us water to drink. It's also a fun time to stay inside and enjoy cozy activities." Finn's mom suggested they play some games inside. They gathered Finn's favorite toys and started playing together. They built towers with blocks, chased the ball around, and even played a game of hide and seek. After playing for a while, Finn's mom said, "Let's sing some songs." Finn loved to sing, so they sang all their favorite songs together. They sang about sunshine, flowers, and even a song about the rain. Finn and his mom snuggled up on the couch with a warm blanket. His mom read him a story about a brave puppy who went on adventures in the rain. Finn listened carefully, imagining himself as the brave puppy in the story. After the story, Finn's mom suggested they draw pictures. Finn drew a picture of himself playing in the rain with big puddles and splashes all around. His mom drew a picture of a beautiful garden with flowers and plants growing tall. Finally, the rain stopped, and the sun started to peek out from behind the clouds. Finn's mom said, "Look, Finn, the rain has stopped. Let's go outside and see what the rain has left for us." Finn and his mom went outside. The ground was wet and there were puddles everywhere. Finn was so excited. He jumped into the biggest puddle he could find, splashing water everywhere. His mom laughed and joined in the fun. Finn and his mom played in the puddles until they were both soaked and tired. As they headed back inside, Finn thought about how much fun he had. He knew he could play in the rain again another day and couldn't wait for the next rainy adventure. even rainy days can bring happiness and fun when spent with loved ones. Every drop of rain can turn into a splash of fun with a bit of curiosity and imagination. Thank you so much for listening. We'll see you again in my next story time for everyone in everywhere. See ya!